This is version 2 of Customizable Charger Tag. Now you can add emojis. Choose your first emoji. Add your needed text or name. Now add your second emoji. Choose custom if you want to delete emoji or write emoji yourself. Click Generate or Enter to check the results. Now let's adjust space between emoji and the text. Press Enter or click Generate to check the results. Now check the connector length based on your text size. Keep it 1 or 2 millimeters shorter than the tag for best results. Now click on Download, choose your printer, and download 3MF file. Open the downloaded file in Bamboo Studio. Enable Normal Auto Support. Choose your colors. Edit support settings as you see here. Hit Slice and enjoy printing. Link in description, free on Maker World. Add a comment if you want custom update. Boosting me on Maker World helps. Keep free updates and new designs.